Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 5. I am up and down and round and round. End of chapter exercises. Question 13 and question 16. It's on page number 115. The sum says, draw a circle in which a chord of 6 centimeters length stands at a distance of 3 centimeters from the center. So here the chord length is 6 centimeters and the distance of the chord from the center is 3 centimeters, and we will draw a circle with this chord. First, what we will do, we will first draw the chord. We will first draw the chord equal to 6 centimeters. We will draw a chord equal to 6 centimeters. This is a chord equal to 6 centimeters. I will name the chord as AB. Next, we will mark the midpoint of the chord. We will mark the midpoint of the chord. We will mark the midpoint as M. M is the midpoint of the chord. Next, we will draw a perpendicular at M. We will draw a perpendicular at M. For that, what we will do, we will take the compass, keep it at M, and cut 2 arcs on the chord. Then we will keep the compass here, stretch more than half of the distance and draw arcs. So now we are drawing a perpendicular at M. So now let the perpendicular be LM. The LM is, now it is perpendicular to AB. On LM, we will mark a point because the center lies on the chord. Because the center lies on the perpendicular bisector of the chord. So the chord should be 3 centimeters away from the center. So from here we will mark 3 centimeters. From M we will mark 3 centimeters. So this is O. This is the center of the circle O. So we will keep the compass at O, take OA as radius and draw the circle. Keep the compass at O, take OA as radius. We will draw the circle. So this is the required circle. Here AB is equal to 6 centimeters and OM is equal to 3 centimeters. AB equal to 6 centimeters. OM equal to 3 centimeters. So now we'll write the steps of construction. Step 1. Step 1. Draw AB equal to 6 centimeters. Step 2. Mark midpoint of AB as M. Step 3. Draw LM perpendicular to AB. Step 4. On LM, cut OM equal to 3 centimeters. Step 5. With O as center, and OA as radius, draw the circle. Draw a circle. This is the required circle. This is the required circle. Question 16 says, consider all chords of a circle of a fixed length. What is the shape formed by the midpoints of all these chords? Consider all chords of a circle of a fixed length. So we have to draw the chords of equal length. Then they are asking, what is the shape formed by the midpoints of all these chords? When we join the midpoints of all the equal chords of a circle, what is the shape form they are asking? So first what we will do, first we have drawn a circle here. We have drawn a circle, O is center and AB is a chord. We have marked M to be the midpoint of the chord AB. Now we'll join OM. We'll join OM. We know that the line segment joining the center and the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to the chord. So OM will be perpendicular. So now OM shows the distance of the chord from the center. OM shows the distance of the chord from the center. we know that the line segment joining the center and the midpoint of a chord shows the distance of the chord from the center. Now, we also know that equal chords are equidistant from the center. We also know that equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. So now we will draw some equal chords in the circle. You can see here we have drawn so many equal chords. We can draw still many equal chords we can draw. We can draw infinite number of equal chords because there are infinite number of points on the circle. So we can draw so many chords. Now I have marked the midpoints of all the chords. N, O, P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of these equal chords. We know that equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. So the midpoints of all the equal chords will be at equal distance from the center. So the midpoints of equal chords of a circle will be equidistant from the center. All these points are at equal distance from the center. So when we join all these points, we'll get a circle. When we join all these midpoints, we get a circle which is concentric to the given circle. So when we join the midpoints, all the midpoints will get a circle which is concentric to the given circle. Means both the circles have got the same center, but they have got different radii. They are called as concentric circles. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.